Okay, last year I received a neat little solar powered motor from my friend Shimei. It's never worked, even when I put it in the sunlight. So we're gonna figure out why. There's probably not enough current going through the motor. So we're gonna try a little electrical experiment. We're gonna see how much voltage is being supplied from the solar power. And we're going to test how much voltage it takes for the motor to start up. So all we have to do first is cut it. So just cut the wires, and then we'd have to splice it. No, strip it, sorry. Oh, well, this isn't gonna be as easy as... Now, when I strip it, then little threads come out. This is okay. I mean, I'd have to um, twist it, and I have to do the same for this one. Yes, okay. Now we can pretty much check how much voltage is coming from this little solar panel using my multimeter. Just hit the voltage dial over here, and I use the red wire for the red wire and a black wire connected to the black wire. So first I'm gonna touch the two strips and I'm gonna hold the value. It really dropped. Zero point 0.485 volts. So that's not a lot. Now, I have a battery pack. This battery pack is apparently screwed in. Let me just show you. Two AA, each 1.5 volts. So, and we can measure this one by using the multimeter again. Just touch the two wires together. Ground and power. And hold it. So we get 2.5 volts with two 1.5 volts. Pretty sure the battery drained, so lost a couple voltage over time. Now, how many voltage does it take to power up this little motor? I'm gonna try to supply 2.5 volts, and if it doesn't work, 9 volts. But I really don't want to go that high. I might have to put a resistor, maybe like 100 ohms, just in case. But if I fry it, I fry it. It's only a little tiny motor. Nothing too big. Since the motor wasn't running for like I've never seen it ran ever. I decided to investigate. See how much voltage it takes in order for it to be powered up. So I'm just gonna connect it to my little proto board right here and put the ground in ground, put the power in power. Okay, this thing I need to twist so that it stays as one. I want to solder, but I don't have soldering iron. I mean, it's not that expensive. I should get one. Start with the 2.5 volt stuff. Start with lowest to highest. Oh, it works now. Oh, check it out. Finally. Finally. Alright. So, the thing is that if I put in too much current, motor gets hot, motor gets overheated, and then it just doesn't work anymore. This right now feels fine. It doesn't get hot. It's only getting 2.5 voltage. Um, this little thing only supplies 0.4. Wow. Getting it needs to get 2.5. I don't see that happening with this little thing. So this little thing will never be able. Oh wow. It just broke off. That's bad soldering. That's really bad soldering. Well, I mean, it was a good experiment. Figure out how much voltage it takes to power this little motor. 2.5. I'm not gonna try the 9 volts. I might have to maybe get a smaller resistor if I wanted to power it with 9 volts. But this works fine.